how are we doing today?
I'm very good, thank you.
Good. Alright, let's have a look. Let's let your shoulders relax a little bit more. There we go. So we're just going to get some movement now through your mid-back, okay? Take a deep breath in. That's great. And breathing out. Alright, and again, nice deep breath in. Okay, and breathing out. Alright, let's lie down on this shoulder facing me. There we go. That's it. Let's lie down on your back. That's good, nice and easy. And one more. Good. Alright, let's lift your arms all the way up to the sky. There we go. There we go, all adjusted. How was that?
That was very good.
Great.